She got some of that good ass pussy. I'm talking about that pussy.
Ooh, 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 ooh. That pussy feel good. That pussy feel good. That pussy feel great. That pussy feel great. That pussy feel great. Ooh, 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 ooh. That pussy feel good. That pussy feel good. That pussy feel great. That pussy feel great.
And she had me like, ooh, I like it like that. That pussy so fat, made her come right back. Need some more ASAP. She was telling me relax, gave me some fire ass head in the front seat of my lap. Pulled that bitch over and we hopped in the back, and I hit it from the back like some motherfucking slap. I don't wanna let her leave, baby, had to holler back. Cause soon as I nutted, it got hard right back. Can't cut her no slack, gon' remember this dick. Bet your boyfriend won't fuck you like this. He would if he could, but he can't, so he ain't. Got my fingers in your pussy, making sure it don't stink. On the hood, it's all good, and I fucks with you for sure. And I get with you twice a week, just keep my name on the low. And we can go round for round, but the way I stick and move, bet it won't take much to put you down.
I beat that pussy like a heavyweight champ. Bet it won't last 2 rounds. Tonight is going down. I'll beat that pussy like a heavyweight champ. Bet it won't last 2 rounds. Tonight is going down.
And you a motherfucking fool with it, but I'm cool with it. The way you poke it out, I know just what to do with it. I ain't your man, I don't give a fuck who hit it. That gold rapper, I'ma put that bitch on snooze with it. I couldn't lose with this. There's a Henny in my system. She told all her friends, and all her friends tryna get him. I'm swinging in that Lade or that Charger, they can't miss him. Of course they'll pick him, be stupid to try to diss him. Especially the way he dig him, she want her a real nigga. So every time she see me, she eat me just like a Snickers. Grabbing on my dick, opened the phone and took a picture. This is for my old hoes, probably still fuck with you. I love them hoes that go round for round, till the pussy start making that sound. Beat it up, beat it up, beat it down. Now she calling all the time, said she want it right now.
I beat that pussy like a heavyweight champ. Bet it won't last 2 rounds. Tonight is going down. I beat that pussy like a heavyweight champ. Bet it won't last 2 rounds. Tonight is going down. Ooh, 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 ooh. That pussy feel good. That pussy feel good. That pussy feel great. That pussy feel great. That pussy feel great. Ooh, 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 ooh. That pussy feel good. That pussy feel good. That pussy feel great. That pussy feel great.